As we all know, good road network is an important and integral part of any state's socio-economic development and growth. Have you heard? The Governor Akeredolu's led administration through the Ministry of Works and Infrastructure in June 2018 approved the whopping sum of 11.2 billion naira for the commencement of the construction of approved road projects in the state. As of today, 142.26 kilometers completed road projects has been carried out. 235.66 kilometers of road projects are still ongoing, making a total of 377.92 kilometers road distance within our dear state.
It's called Mr. Talk and Do Governor. They call him Mr. Hope. They call him Uwipe Shebe in Yoruba, which means whatever he says he's going to do, he will do.
Under the Akeredolu-led administration, all the 18 local government areas in the state has either had their roads newly constructed, renovated or dualized. The Ore flyover bridge. Hey, it's a bang! Wow! The very first of its kind in the history of Ondo State. The impact of the completion of this cadre of road network has started paying off on the dwellers of the community, as economic activities is now experiencing a positive upturn. To every of our road prayers, Akeredolu is no joke. Akeredolu is the answer.